Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Pearlstein, the co-founder of SoleSpace and Oakland Style Lab. And I'm really excited to be talking to you today about a brand new project called SoleSpace Lab. SoleSpace Lab is the Bay Area's first sneaker upcycling, design, and customizing workshop, emphasizing sustainability, equity, and youth development. And it's going to bring some really powerful positive energy to downtown Oakland in this moment when we really need it. For nearly a decade, I ran SoleSpace, an award-winning shoe store by day and a community activation hub by night. Unfortunately, I had to close SoleSpace about 5 years ago. But during the pandemic, I had some time to really realize how much I loved sneakers and the dynamism of sneaker culture and fashion. So I helped start a new project called Oakland Style Lab, where we've been training up Oakland teens to learn upcycling and transform their relationship with fashion, clothing, and the planet. Last year, we did an intro sneaker workshop, and it was a huge hit, and it basically just fired up all my excitement about sneakers again. So I started doing a deep dive into classes, learning to repair, sew, and make my very own sneakers from scratch. I studied from some of the best instructors around the country, and now I'm just incredibly excited to bring what I've learned back to Oakland, to our community. We need your help to raise $15,000 in the next 3 weeks to run our summer pilot. You'll be helping us bring in state-of-the-art machinery for our classes, support the best artisans from all over the Bay Area to teach our students, and hold down this dope new space we found in downtown Oakland. Our vision at SoleSpace Lab is to work with you to change our relationship to sneakers and to each other. For our pilot this summer, we'll be training Oakland high school students as interns to clean and repair customers' shoes. And we'll be offering a whole wide range of classes for the public, youth and adults, that's you, to learn to customize and make your very own shoes. You can help us make this happen and raise the $15K we need for our summer pilot. Check out some of the great perks we have. There's everything from a sneaker customizing workshop to a drop-in day for your teen. You can book a sneaker cleaning or repair. You can even commission your very own pair of one-of-one handmade Air Jordans or Adidas Sambas. If none of those are your thing, please support the project by choosing a scholarship option and making sure an Oakland teen can attend one of our classes for free. I know we can do this. Together we can build a space where we transform our relationship to our clothing, the planet, and each other. Thanks so much. Please share this to your people, and I'll see you at the lab.